guys, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This is from 3 different companies. I'm excited to show you these, so let's get started. This first one is from the Crafty Student. Let me pull it out real quick. I already took the stuff out, so I was bad. I had to hurry up and look at it. So okay, so let's see. Let me put these two aside. First things first, this is the freebie. Hump Day, Happy Mail, TCS freebie. Payday. And then there is their website. And then I got the medication tracker, which I definitely need. And I love that it's Monday through Sunday so that I don't have to use one across every day. Less talking, more coffee. Who doesn't need that? Get up early. I'm going to need that when my son has his wrestling tournaments. Brain dump. Definitely need that. Before the pen for my PR. Lazy day. Definitely need one of those. Mother-son time. Which is, I have 2 sons, but of course one's married and out of the house. Pickup refill. And then this is the shipping labels. This is the shipping labels so that I know that something's on the way. And then this one, I'm not going to say it out loud. And then watch Playing with Me's. And I do that a lot. So I might need to get another one of these. All right, so that is from the Crafty Student. Y'all going to check her out or check them out. I will have their information down in the description below. Okay, the next one I got. All right, so the next one I got is from XoBncPrints. This is the first time I've ordered from them, I believe, and I'm really excited. I saw their stuff, and a friend of mine is PR girl for her, so definitely had to go support my girl and this shop because it is some beautiful, beautiful stuff. Y'all have got to go look her up. Let me open this up first and we can hopefully, I can get in there. I'm going to show you the freebies that I got first. And this is Leanne's freebie. This is my friend. So if you want 20% off, go and use Leanne20. Isn't that cute? I love it. Fold the dang laundry. And then here's another freebie I got. Date night, workout, payday, delivery, birthday, shopping, planning, laundry, mani-pedi, excuse me, cleaning, work, bubble bath. Love that. I can use every single one of those. And here is how you can get $15 shop credit. You collect 5 of those and put them on here and take a picture to show them. And here is Coco, by the way. So this is the freebie, and then there's Coco. So, you know, put them there, grab a hold of them, and get to $15 shop credit. Definitely. And don't forget to use Leanne's code. All right, this first one that I got it's a deluxe fall in coffee because everybody knows that I love coffee. So here's coffee time, love. So here are your full boxes with your quarter boxes. Your bottom washi, that's upside down, sorry. Your bottom washi, your washi strips. Love that washi, I think that's adorable. I am all upside down. Your headers, your heart check flags, big flags, and functionals. Your weekend banner, your half boxes, quarter boxes, bill dues, day off. This one says Coffee Monday, Happy Meal, Sleep In, Laundry Day, Grocery Shopping, Take Out Garbage, Tidy Up. So you can use pretty much every single one of those on your weeks. Your heart check boxes and quarter boxes again. And then Forget Love, Fall in Coffee. I love that. That's the quote box, I'm assuming. And quarter box and Monday through Sunday habit trackers and little things. This is adorable. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Perfect. Perfect for me. All right, this next one is Winter Vibes. And I love how she has the names of the kits on the side like that. It makes life so much easier. Okay, This is gorgeous. Look at this double box right here. I'm a double box girl, so this is winter vibes, and she's sitting there drinking coffee, and it says, let's get cozy. Baby, it's cold outside, warm and cozy. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. There's your full boxes and your quarter box. Your bottom washi, look at that. And washi strips. Adorable. Your headers, your flags, your heart check flags, and little functionals. Your half boxes, weekend banner, quarter boxes, bill dues, and day off. And again, grocery shopping, takeout, garbage, etc. Your heart check boxes, quarter boxes. And then your little things, baby, it's cold outside. I love how she has the quote box, one quote box on the back page like that. Monday through Sunday sidebar, habit trackers, and quarter boxes. I love this. I am so glad Leanne told me about this company. Awesome. And then this is the one I was going for. I'm so excited to get this one. This is the Deluxe Classic Christmas, and I'm so excited. 'Cause yay, Frosty the Snowman. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look. Okay. So here are your full boxes and your quarter boxes. I love this. Your bottom washi and your washi strips. Your headers, your flags, little things and more flags. Weekend banner, your quarter boxes and half boxes. Your full heart check boxes and quarter boxes. And then I guess there wasn't Rudolph. It's just the girlfriend, I think. Functionals, quarter boxes, and it says, he always knew he was a little different, but he let his light shine regardless of what others said. Ain't that the truth? And then your sidebar, your habit trackers, and I love it. I am so in love with this company. Yay! So go check out XoBNC Prints, okay? And don't forget to use Leanne20 to get 20% off. Okay, so that is that company. Let me get to the next one. The next one is Sparkles Delight. Frosty. I'm telling you guys, I love, love, love winter. It's my favorite. And I use Leanne for this one too as well, I believe. But this is the freebie that I got. Isn't that gorgeous? That's a huge freebie, y'all. Weekend banner, dots, appointments, movie night, full boxes, flags. It's gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? A little bit of everything. That's so big I can't even get it all in my camera. Alright guys, this is Frosty, the full collection. It's an Erin Condren vertical. And here are your full boxes. Isn't that beautiful? Look. Look. Your half boxes and quarter boxes. Your weekend banner, scallops, appointment boxes, asterisks, today, important, next week, notes, flags, check flags. Your habit trackers, your heart check flags, your headers, your little things, and then half boxes, quarter boxes. I love how she has the boxes that are a whole scene. And then your bottom washies, your day covers, your dates, and your weekend banner. Isn't that beautiful? I love this. Also, these are full heart check boxes. So you get quite a bit, guys. Love it. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so that's Sparkles Delight. So go check them out. And like I said, I will have all the information down in the description below for you guys. Go check them out. Give me a thumbs up. And I hope to see y'all back here again real soon. And I will catch you later. Bye-bye.